Hello, hello, hello. Um, I'm Anna Vanila on the channel Anna Vanila Arts. So this is my latest project. As you can see, it's a bunny. Bunny, the rabbit, with the bum turned to us. Yes, he shows his back. But the funny thing is, this is a wall hanging of 3 bunnies, and the one that looks at us is in the middle. So I've done 1 bunny, I need to do a 2nd bunny and the 3rd bunny. The 3rd bunny also looks away, but the middle bunny looks at us. But I haven't got to the middle bunny just yet. So that's how it looks. It looks the back of a rabbit. Yeah, so it's a white color with black contour, multicolored background. I've chosen this background because I had a nice yarn at home, and I thought I have to try and use it as a contrast to bring the white to the first background, to us, so that the contrast of the white will just somehow pop and the rabbit will be accentuated, and we can see it clearly that it's a bunny. And is on the dowel, wooden dowel. I used 29 strings. It's a pattern that I fell in love with from braceletbook.com. Its number is 8412-5, and there is another variation of this particular pattern, also with 3 bunnies in 3 different positions, which I'm doing now, but with gray bunnies. I love with gray bunnies. I think I may try and do the gray one as well. So instead of white, you get the gray color bunny, and the background is purple, which looks quite nice. So that background is lighter than the actual bunnies, than the actual rabbits. So it will look totally different than what I'm doing here right now. And when I do the work, I obviously do it like this, and then I just knit back, like not back like this. And here's a sticker from Frozen. I'm not sure if you can see it clearly enough, but it's a sticker from Frozen. I love Frozen movie. It's so cute, so good. The actual drawings, the actual characters are just stunning. I love it, and I'm really a big fan of Frozen, so much so that I bought even blueberry flavored lip gloss. As you can see, I am using it. Let me try this one in the middle. It smells of strawberries. It's fragranced and blueberry flavored lip gloss. It smells of blueberry. It hydrates the lips and makes them kissable. So it's cute. So what I'll be doing now is doing the middle bunny, which looks at us. I'm going to show you the pattern. You're going to see it, and See you in continue of this video. See you soon. Hello, hello, hello. I have been working on this since yesterday, and as you can already see, it's another bunny from the middle of the pattern that is revealed. So you can see the tail, the cheeks being a bit flush, and the ears. It's like this bunny just turned to have a look at us. So cute. Let's see better like this actually, but let's see. Yeah, so this is the first bunny who totally looks away from us. This is the second bunny who turned his head to look at us, and then the next bunny will be similar to this one, which looks away as well. I have sellotaped here to make sure the sides are straight and the bottom is also straight. So this is the pattern that I was promising to show you. So that's how it looks. So you can see this bunny here, and this bunny in the middle, it's here, and the bunny that looks away also with a tail on us. So this is one I've made, this is one I've made here, and the third bunny is about to be done, and when I'll do it, I'll show it to you. So this is the third bunny, which will be about here. So I'm really glad how the progress and the process of this wall hanging starts. And so I thought I am going to show you and share my experience and what I do and how I do it. And it's simple. This is probably the best, most successful, probably the most successful wall hanging that I've done so far, because I see the edges are straight, the rows are straight, so I hope it will going to show nicely when I do the third bunny, the third rabbit. I just hope that it will turn out as good and straight line like it should be. So I am working on it. I love it. I think it turns out to be very nice, very even, and I'll show you when I do the third one, the third rabbit, when it's finished. And as you can see, I used sellotape to make sure this doesn't move, this part doesn't move, the middle part, so that the edges are straighter, because when you use sellotape it holds into place, and it's very useful, and it's a very good method, very good way to hold your piece in place. So I would suggest for you to use also sellotape when you've got long piece like this to do. So I said to you before that this pattern was made on bracelet book, so enjoy it. If you are enjoying it and liking it, you could do it yourself too. Why not? Hello, hello, hello. I have finished the third little bunny. So, as you remember, I mentioned that the first one looks away, the third one looks away, and the middle looks at us. Isn't this a cute and a funny pattern? That's why I've chosen to do a video with it, and I thought I am going to do this wall hanging. And I will also put a wooden dowel on this side and maybe a wooden dowel on the top of it and hang it on the wall somehow so that it doesn't look upside down or something like that. So as you can see, this is the pattern. I've done the first, the second and the third. This is the third element, the third bunny, which is this one, in the meanwhile, I have knitted myself a scrunchie. It's a scrunchie from wool, different kind of wool, so it's different yarn, and it's stretchy. I haven't worn it yet, but I'm going to do this. But now it's clean, it's washed, and I will wear it in my next videos. And I thought I'm going to update with what else I do apart from knotting. And I've knitted this scrunchie, this hairband, and I hope you like it. As you can see, stretchy. It's beautiful. I love it. I'll wear it soon and you will notice it in my next couple of videos. I will be wearing this scrunchie. So I thought about removing this wooden dowel halfway through and putting on this side another half so that it stays straight, and a longer wooden dowel at the top. I'll attach it, and I hope it will be looking great. So these things I'm going to hide the threads, the loose threads, and these ones at the back also will be hidden because, as you can see, it's a right mess, but I will have to adjust them, so I have to stitch them with a thread and with a needle to make sure it doesn't just hang where it shouldn't be. As you can see, it can pop in front of us like this, so it needs to be hidden nicely and adjusted and ready for wall hanging. I really love the color choice in this particular design. This is a beige color I've used for the ears and cheeks of it's like a blush for the bunny, and I love the multicolored tone, the thread that I used as a background. Very nice, and it gives right contrast with the white thread. And as you can see, the white thread's got a sparkle, so it picks up the light from the sunshine and would sparkle as you look at this piece when it will be hanging on the wall. And thank you very much for watching me, for watching the channel Anna Vanila Art, and for subscribing. Please bring your friends and family to my channel, and let's learn together how to do better bracelets and wall hangings, and have fun together, and knit together, not just do knotting but knitting too. So thank you very much for subscribing and for everything else, for support. Thank you. Bye bye.